What's the meaning of collywobbles? Collywobbles. Collywobbles.
Collywobbles. Collywobbles. Collywobbles is a noun that refers to a feeling of nervousness or butterflies in the stomach. It is often associated with anxiety or fear, and can be caused by a variety of situations including public speaking, job interviews, or first dates. The symptoms of collywobbles can include a fluttery feeling in the stomach, a loss of appetite, and even physical shaking or trembling. Although it is not a medical condition, the term is commonly used to describe a feeling of uneasy discomfort that arises in certain stressful or anxiety-inducing situations.